What's up, money growers? Jacob coming back to you with another video talking about Navy Federal Credit Union today. I am up late hours doing this, man, so I really hope this is helpful and beneficial to you guys. Guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button because today we are talking about the More Rewards credit card offered by Navy Federal, okay? Now, this More Rewards card is going to be one that's very popular, and if you have this card, I definitely want to hear what you have to say about this, because I do not have this credit card with Navy Federal. I am a member of Navy Federal for almost 2 years now. This card I do not have, but I know it's a popular one for a lot of people. Also, we're going to go over there's going to be two parts to this video, where we're going to go over the card itself, the benefits, the requirements, the credit score you need, all that kind of good stuff that you want to know if you're thinking about getting this card and applying for it. The other thing we're going to do at the end, or the second half of the video, is talk about eligibility for Navy Federal Credit Union. A lot of people think that it's just military who can get in, but no, civilians can join Navy Federal as well. So you can get in and you can enjoy a lot of the same benefits that the military does with Navy Federal Credit Union, including credit cards just like this. So let's go ahead, hit the thumbs up, jump into it, and let me give you a good rundown of this credit card, give a good review, and talk about it here. Now, as we jump into this, Navy Federal credit cards, if you don't know, they have 6 credit cards, 1 secured and 5 unsecured. The Flagship is like the granddaddy card. That's like, the big one that they have that people like to eventually work their way up to. Because that card, the Flagship, can go up to an $80,000 credit limit, where the other 4, secured cards, the other 4 unsecured cards, go up to a $50,000 limit each. Now, understand, with Navy Federal, you can have at most 3 credit cards with them, all right? Now, those 3 credit cards, here's an important thing, can add up to a total of an $80,000 credit limit across all 3. So if you have 1 credit card and it's the Flagship card, you can work that card up to an $80,000 limit. But once you hit that $80,000 limit, you're done. You're not getting any more personal credit cards because you hit the $80,000 limit. Now, let's say you get this More Rewards card and you get it up to a $50,000 limit. Well, now you have 2 more cards you can get, and you have $30,000 left in limit that you can split up between them however you want. It's up to you, but 1 card, 2 card, or 3 cards total, they can only add up to $80,000 as far as your credit limit. I say only, but you get the idea. So just keep that in mind. 3 cards max. Unless you're going to be an authorized user on someone else's card, but that's really something different, okay? So 3 cards with Navy Federal. You can pre-qualify for these on their website. You state your income. They'll tell you what you qualify for as you go through, along with some other basic info. Not going to hurt your credit score if you go ahead and just see what you can qualify for. Now, let's jump into this here. So this card here is best for everyday spending, grocery shopping, and you just need average to excellent credit in order to obtain this card. The rate's 9.65% to 18%. Navy Federal does not go over 18% on any of their credit cards. So that's better than a lot of other credit unions and definitely better than a lot of other banks, that's for sure. So that's one of the reasons people like them, is because of their rates and because of the fact that some of these fees here you're going to see don't apply. So there's no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee, and no cash advance fee with Navy Federal. Now, this is the points right here that people love when it comes to the More Rewards points. So they do have points like with the Go Rewards, which is cool, but this More Rewards is even better. So you look at the rewards here. They have 3 points at restaurants and on food delivery, 3 points at supermarkets, 3 points on gas and transit, and 1 point on everything else. So you got 3 separate categories. You're getting triple the points and then 1 point on everything else. So if you like to rack up those points with Navy Federal, this could be a good card for you. Now, they are offering a bonus right now where it's $20,000. $20,000. That would be amazing. No, 20,000 bonus points. I said it's late. Oh, man, it's late. I'm tired, but I'm grinding away. So 20,000 bonus points, which is a $200 value if you decide to cash that in, for a $2,000 spend within 90 days of the account opening. So it's a 10% return on spend if you spend the $2,000 in 90 days, particularly in 2021 as we close out the year here for a lot of people doing holiday shopping, traveling to see family, that kind of thing. $2,000 for most people, is probably not going to be a big deal if you qualify for this card and you hit the requirements. You get 200 of it back. So the other cool thing they offer too is the 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months. That's actually really cool. So $200 cash back you could be getting, 0% intro on balance transfers if you happen to need that for an entire year. Pretty sweet deal. So let's continue here with the features and benefits. There's no rewards limit to this card. You can redeem the points for cash if you like, which is actually like kind of like my personal favorite. So get cash if you want, do travel, you can get gift cards, you can buy merchandise, which means you can shop in their online portal. I usually tend to find buying stuff with points is not like the best, you know, cash back. Point for point is not the best, but hey, you do what you want. It's your card. You're spending it, your money the way you want. It's completely up to you. Someone else, it might be worth it. Now, also you get up to 25% off car rental, plus car rental loss and damage insurance. You have entertainment access, or sometimes you get access to, you know, tickets and things like that for a discount to shows, concerts, events. Also get roadside assistance when it comes, you know, to getting the more rewards card. And as we continue, this is with all of Navy Federal's credit cards. This part we're about to talk about right here. 24/7 access to stateside member reps, and that really means 24/7. Early morning, late night, middle of the day, weekday, weekend, holiday. I've talked to them all different times of days, on holidays, on weekends. They are there if you need them for credit card questions. They're one of the few departments that are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week there. Also, zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions. You have fraud notification. So if you do have some fraud issue, card gets stolen, card gets lost, at home in the U.S., overseas, someone takes it and uses it somewhere else, they're going to do everything they can to work with you because you're not going to be liable for that and to get that fraud situation handled, and you get access to your credit score. Now, who can apply? Now, of course, because it's Navy Federal, people think just the military. Yes, the military members can, and sometimes people think it's just Navy because it says Navy Federal, but no. Any member of any branch of the military, okay? It doesn't matter. Active, Guard, Reserve, retirees, veterans, even if you're in DEP and you haven't even gone to basic training yet, you know, then hey, you can do that as well. Officer candidates, ROTC, all that kind of stuff. Okay, those are the obvious, those are the givens. Now, if we go here to the less obvious, okay, family members, all right? Now, family members can join, but they have to fit this criteria. So they got to be parents or grandparents of someone in the military, spouse, sibling, children of military members, including adopted and stepchildren, and then grandchildren. So, you know, say you have no one in your immediate family, or even like in your parents' generation was military, but you have a grandparent who was, you can apply. You can apply for membership. They're probably going to ask for a DD-214 because they're going to want that proof, but you can. It's possible. And even a household member. So if you're a roommate, you have a roommate who's in the military, again, active, Guard, or Reserve, doesn't matter. Then you can apply through that and become a member of Navy Federal, and you get access to a lot of the same products the military has. Not stuff like a VA loan, of course, but even mortgages. They have mortgages for civilians. They've got, you know, car loans, right? Things like that. I mean, personal loans. I mean, they've got all kinds of great stuff. You still get the same credit cards and all that kind of thing here. So this is big. And then DoD civilians. So, you know, if you're obviously on a supporting the military on installation, you know, government employees assigned to DoD installations, DoD contractors, all that kind of stuff, they can join as well. And then minors, right? So, you know, that's open to an existing member who's also a parent, guardian, or grandparent of a minor. So children, stepchildren, and adopted children as well, plus the grandchildren. So keep that in mind as we close this out. I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe. So try to do a comprehensive video for you telling you what you need to know about the cards here with Navy Federal. I enjoy helping you guys with this because it's a great credit union. I'm a happy member there. So if you have any other things to add, if you have this card, please tell me about it down below. There's going to be lots more to come in the future, at least one video a day, sometimes two, maybe even three that we're working towards here. But I'm happy to do this and happy to help and just share this information with people. So if you've got some experience, you got some knowledge and insight, tell it down below. Tell the experience. I want to hear it. I'm happy to have you here, and I appreciate you spending time with me today. That's going to be it for this video, and I'm going to see you again very soon.